Okay. Hello YouTube, Zook here. Welcome back to Project Zomboid. Now, in the last episode, the alarm went off. However, I have not seen any zombies appear. I didn't close that door. Okay, trapping for beginners, I'll take that. Magazines, what I want. Sheer paper. Okay, it sounds like there are zombies nearby, but I can't see them. So let's just quickly drink. Fill a water bowl. Guy's claustrophobic, so shouldn't really hang around for too long. Bread I'll take. Oh, a corn dog. Nice. Have a water bowl. Watermelon. There we go. Now I said vegetables are ingredients. That doesn't apply obviously to things like the strawberries because they're classed as fruit. Ah, yummy. And some grapes. Good. Okay, let's... Dead rat. Oh, could go for a dead rat right now. Yeah, lighter. Need that. Oh. Okay, a bit anticlimactic. The alarm going off last episode. I do apologise about that. Because it appears... Yeah, that did nothing to really endanger our situation, really, did it? There's one zombie. One zombie got alert. I thought there was another one there for some reason. One zombie got alerted by that alarm. Useful. Alright. You know the thing I actually forgot to do before I started this bit of recording? I was meant to go and look and see where the school was. But I completely forgot to do that. Okay. No alarms. That's good. Expert cooking book. No. Fishing for beginners. Suppose I might as well take that. Cigarettes. You know, I'm going to actually take all them cigarettes because they are quite good at reducing panic and stress, I think it is. I'm going to drink this milk. Take that water bowl. Take the magazine. And we will take tuna. I could go for a tuna set. Oh, mousetrap. Oh. Can I use that? Can I use that to hunt? I imagine I could. I suppose. Game, please tell me. Dun 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 dun. Shelf. Nothing. Oh yeah, I've got to change outfits, so let's put a yellow vest on. For some reason that comes out grey on our guy. That's weird. Okay, let's find a pair of trousers on. And let's drink from the toilet while we're here. It really should give you like a flushing sound when you do that. Oh. No milk hands. And a baseball bat. Oh, I ain't got no room. Okay, I think I'm going to have to head back out to the forest where I was. Oh, my niece was screaming. She likes to scream. She's a screamer. Alright, let's start heading back. Suppose I can try and see if I can take a couple of zombies out. Anyone have a... Suppose I should put your clothes on. I don't think I'm going to worry about the shoes anymore. In fact, I think I'll take my shoes off. Although in the past that has led to me getting killed. Oh, there's a few zombies there, so I'm just going to run around this way a bit. Oh god. Alright, Zombies I should be easily able to outrun. Wow, there's a few here. There's a few zombies here. Hi guys, don't worry about me. Ignore me, I'm nothing to worry about. I said ignore me. You are not ignoring me. Shit, you guys need to ignore me right now. Oh shit, that's even worse. Okay, that is exactly where I don't want them to go. Crap. Okay, so here's the problem. I don't want them to go this way. Alright, that's the school. Right there. That is where I do want to go. And the hopes of finding books. So you know what I'm going to do is I'm going to hop over here. Zoom in a bit. And in we go. Quickly. Nope, nothing. Okay. Now I am going to hope is that the zombies will leave me alone for 2 minutes. And we'll lose sight. I'm going to take this wood glue and I'm going to try and repair my bat. Come on. Oh, it's just making my condition worse. Okay, let's eat something while I'm here. Okay. I don't know really what I'm looking for at the moment because there's not really much I can take with me. I think I'm just going to have to chance it. Okay, I'm just going to run down the road a bit. I might actually try circling the school. Oh, no, no, no. Okay, I've got a problem. Okay, I've got a problem. Okay. Okay, here's what I'm going to do. I'm running up this road a bit. And I'm going to duck into the forest. Gonna hope I've given them a slip. Duck through this part of the forest. Okay, there's a zombie there, so I have to be very careful. It is so dark out right now. Okay, my concept of using skill books for the moment is going to have to come to an abrupt end quite quickly. Okay. Where the fuck's this zombie? Oh, there. Okay. Please be the only zombie. It's actually feeling very tense and nervous right now. Need to find my tent. Ah, there. That's an indicator that my tent is nearby. Okay, I'm sorry it's really dark. I'm post I will I'll do some kind of editing to try and brighten it up. Somewhere around here is a tent. Oh. Well, the gaps in the tree might be a better idea. Finding the opening will lead me to my tent. Right, more openings in the tree. Ah, there's wood. Wait, I'm an idiot. I've got my tent kill me, ain't I? I'm a complete and utter idiot. I've had my bloody tent kill me the entire time. I could have slept in any back garden when it was clear. I'm such an idiot sometimes. Who am I saying sometimes? Most of the time I'm an idiot. Okay. Let's sleep in the tent. And hope to God I don't wake up with zombies around me. It's a bit nippy round here. I know. I have to go see if there's a jump on one of the zombies or something. Or, I don't know. Actually, if I make a fire... Yeah, if I make a fire, that should actually stop me being cold, shouldn't it? Right. Ah, perfect. Okay, what we got here? Stone and sword. Alright, I've got to be very careful now because that could bring zombies to me. Just grab a sheet of paper. Well, I grabbed newspaper as well, but apparently I didn't. Alright, now let's grab some planks. And now I should... Does it only work with sheets? I swear it's meant to work with with magazines. Magazines and pieces of paper. I swear it's meant to. Ah, here we go. Done it. Okay. Sheet of paper, you were useless. Although I suppose I could use your kindling. Let's get a log. Get this magazine away. Alright. Okay. Let's see now. What am I wanting to do? I want to cook this salmon. Okay. Okay, so salmon go on fire. Creepy. And then add fuel. I can add my vest as fuel. Cool. Log. And now I need to light the fire with sheet of paper. So I can use clothes as fuel now? Cool. Whenever I need fuel, I just have to kill a zombie, apparently. Okay, so you will now cook. Speed things up to speed up the cooking. Okay. Cooked. Come on. Both cooked. Perfect. Okay, now eat you both. I wonder what that noise was. It's actually the new sound effect of eating. Where's... I am wearing the vest. Okay, it doesn't look like I was wearing the vest for a moment. Okay, now I'm here for a moment. I just need to pause recording so I can see how long's left in the episode. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I've got about 10 minutes remaining. So what I thought I'd do is something that I don't usually like to do, but I thought, hey, I'll give it a go. If I can just find my materials. Where the hell is everything of mine? Oh, everything's in my inventory. I'm an idiot. Boom. Okay. Drop it all down. Right, so I'm going to drop everything down, and first thing I want to do is I want to test out this mousetrap. So, mousetrap. And then the second thing I want to do is grab my shotgun and the shotgun shells. And I thought, you know what we can do? We could go and have a little massacre. First, can I... Yep, okay. I can place a mousetrap on the ground. Okay, awesome. Okay. Equipped in both hands and make sure you are fully loaded. Perfect. Okay, let's go kill some zombies, eh? Oh, let's attempt to kill a load of zombies. Okay, so I want to run through here. Now, I don't necessarily have to kill all the zombies, but the main thing I want to do is lure them away from this area of the road. I kind of want it so I can easily get in and out of my area. So, here we go. Okay, straight off the bat we have zombies. Let's gather them all up. Yeah, these are the ones from earlier. Wait, you don't go into... Oh, he's gone into the forest. One idiot. Okay, and... Okay, you, madam. I'm going to circle you for a bit. Let these guys catch up and... Okay. That's it. Keep on coming. Okay. Oh, not you. Not you. Oh. Okay, let's try and keep some of you around here. See if we can take you down. Okay. Oh, you got back up. That's not good. Circle around this side of ya. Oh, not you. Oh, you snuck in behind. Okay, let's run up this way a bit. Let's try and get a bit distance so I can reload. Okay, oh, no. Not yous. Come on. Okay, oh, run. Okay, oh. Okay, oh. Up this way and reload. Okay, come on. Oh. I don't even know if I'm actually killing any of them. Okay. And circle around. Okay, big bulk of them there. Shit! Ah, crap, I've been bit. Okay, quick, okay. Retreat out, okay. Okay, quickly, cut through, and we're going around. Okay, we're heading into the city. We're going to head into the city for the moment because I need to quickly... Need to do a repair job. Okay, ugh. That one's smart. Fuck. Okay, quick. Nope. Why can't I rip bandages out of my clothes anymore? Craft sheet rope, rip sheets. Shit, I got a problem. Okay, quick, while I'm in here. Huh? Okay, I thought I got hurt. But apparently I didn't. That's weird. Okay, so now I'm pantless in a warehouse. Day keeps getting better and better, eh? Welcome to the story of Zook, pantless in a warehouse. And the sad thing is, this episode is actually coming to an end. Let's reload, because it looks like next episode we're fighting our way out of here. Which ain't going to be fun. And it certainly is not going to be easy. I'm in extreme panic. Zombies are smashing on the window. See you next episode. Bye bye.